Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this t-shirt design using the DTF hack. Here's my paper and I have it taped just a little bit of the DTF paper, and I'm using the Yamation paper for DTF, and it tells you which side is the print side on the packet. And I'm going to be using this powder, that brand. I already have my powder on some butcher paper over here to the side, and I'm going to print the image onto this paper with my Sawgrass 500 sublimation printer. And here is the design. This is going to go into my printer, tape side in and with the paper side up. And when you use this DTF, you want to make sure you are going to put it on the right side, and it's labeled print side, so when it feeds through, it's going to actually print on the DTF film. Okay, so I'm going to load this into my printer. Put that in first, and then I'm going to print the image. So let's just start printing over there. So I'm going to do a quick pre-press to get the moisture out of this t-shirt, and this is a 100% cotton t-shirt. So just going to press that quickly. Just a quick pre-press, just about 5 seconds. And I'm still going to lint roll just to make sure there's no lint particles or anything on here. I know it's real critical with sublimation, but not sure with DTF. So I'm going to trim this image down, and we're going to see if this is going to be an issue. So I'm still learning, because this is actually my very first time trying the DTF hack. So we're doing this together live. This is probably unnecessary, but I just want to have clean edges when I place this on to my t-shirt. And I'm going to center this image. Don't want to tip that over. I got to get a better setup going, but this is going to have to work for now. I don't want that to melt my I wanted to melt my little measurer. So that's about the center right there. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put some heat tape, secure it in place. I'm going to grab my Teflon sheet. And we're going to press this. Looks like looks a little crooked to me. Let me readjust this because it looks a little off-centered. That looks a little better. This is completely dry because we've already dried it. You wouldn't want to do this unless it was completely dry. That was the purpose of curing it. Well, you can, because I don't think you have to cure it first. That's what I've seen on some videos. So that looks about good right there. Teflon sheet. Press for 300 degrees at 20 seconds. It's almost done baking. The moment of truth. Let's see how this one turns out. Okay. And this has to completely cool. So while it's cooling, I will be back. You have to do a cold peel with this one. Okay, I'm back and we're going to peel this. It has cooled down. I'll go ahead and peel it off. I'm so nervous because I noticed some marks here. Let me show you guys. And I don't know what impact this will have. It's like right there. You can see. I don't know what happened there, but I see a little bit. So we're gonna see what happens. The ink may have smeared somehow. I don't know. So there's only room for growth. So just take a corner, peel it back. Okay. So let's see if we can still see those marks that I was talking about. Yep, can still see them a little bit. I'm just making this for my friend for her union, and I just wanted to do the hack. So this is not anything I'm selling or anything. I'm just still in my learning phase, but I've noticed a few things, and I'm not sure if it's with this powder. I'm not sure if I like it because you can kind of see the white peeking through there, and I don't know if I need like 2 coats of powder or if I should try the Yamation powder. But these letters aren't so bad because they're smaller. You can't really see it, but I created this part down here. I added that to match these letters. So I think for my first time, and this was a logo that was already existing, but I edited, made it larger, and you know, added that little chapter 214. So I did do 3 of these shirts. So I'm going to show you the other ones. Here's another one, and you can see again with that powder. I don't know what's going on, you know, but I just wanted to try this out since I've never done this hack. So this was the first one. It did it again there. So you can just see how it turned out. I mean, overall, not bad. And it feels like vinyl a little bit. That's what it kind of reminds me of, like HTV. But let's see. You stretch it. Still. Okay. So that's that. I'm going to do a sublimation one with this same image. So I'll post a video for that. Till the next time, thank you for watching. Peace.